So it's in the morning now, and I didn't just wake up, but I haven't gotten ready. So video is just gonna be me looking like this. Okay, so that paint dried from part 1. So now this is part 2, and let's try to get this side. Okay, okay, let me put my phone back again. Let's see. I can give you guys overall. Sorry. Okay, so let me unscrew this real quick. Oh, come on. Ugh. There we go. Okay, so here's the upside down, sorry. So here's what it looks like when it's fully dried. Gives you a nice finish. Yeah, if you guys didn't see the part 1 to this, I'd go check this out. Check that out. It kind of gave you a basic overview, and today we are going to be putting all the lines on it to make it look like Van Halen. So let's get into that right now. Okay, so what you guys are gonna want to do first is just take your painter's tape, if you have any. This painter's tape is kind of low, this roll. So I am just going to make lines with it, basically. So let me try to get you guys up a little bit closer. Sorry about that angle. Okay. Let's see if this will work. So I have the guitar right here, and painter's tape. As you can see, it's kind of low, like I just said. So you don't want to put any tape on the guitar, or any paint really, when it's not dry. So let it dry overnight, just to be safe. And then using painter's tape or masking tape, it might not really matter, but just kind of want to put an overview of the guitar there. Okay, so that'll be one line. Make it long enough again. Over here, let's do it right here. And you want to try to make this line as straight as possible, if you can. See? Just like that. And then what you're going to want to do is basically keep doing that until it's all the way done. So I'll kind of just skip to it being done. So okay guys, so now that we are back, I am done with making all the lines and stuff. So what you want to do now is, just wait a second. Sorry about that, guys. I had to go take care of something real quick. So what I was saying is, now like once you're done with all of the lines and stuff, you gotta take a knife and then you gotta cut all of these extra pieces of tape off of the edge. So I'll do that right now. Okay guys, I'm done, and it's looking pretty good. I know it just looks like a lot of tape, which it is, but I had to cover all the sides, and since we are just doing the top, like the painting the top, I just put tape all around the edge, like up close to that edge where it curves. So let's get into the painting it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be using the satin black for the first lines. So let's get into that. Okay, so there you have it. There is the black coat on. So yeah, we're gonna let this dry. And then we are going to peel off the tape. Good. And switching over. Okay guys, so I just tore off a little piece to check if it was okay to, if it was dry enough to tear off, and I think it is. So, just gonna go for it. Ooh, that's gonna look nice. Get those side pieces off. Yada yada yada. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's gonna look amazing. Not Brad, but I'm really hoping it will. I really like how this tape is just peeling right off instead of being bad and not peeling off much. Ah, there we go. Come on. Almost done. Okay, I think that's all the tape. Ooh, I like that. That's gonna look, that looks pretty darn nice. Ooh. Oh yeah, and then I'm gonna add some gray lines once this is fully dry. And then my plan is for like the engravings, I'm gonna take a white paint marker and go in there and way below the paint. Yeah, that's the tape on the edge. That's what it did. That's how good of a job that masking tape did. And yeah, this was pretty fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I did. Stay tuned. And be sure to leave a like and subscribe, please. That would be really nice. So, like, I noticed that not all of the viewers that have watched my videos have liked and subscribed. So, yeah. Part 3 coming up.